everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet and I'm here to show you today how to make the Spike DC stitch. So this is US terms. In UK terms it would be called the Spike Treble Crochet rather than the Spike Double Crochet. So this is a variation on the granny square. So I've got a little granny square sample here and I'm going to show you how to add the spike. And basically what it does is it covers up the holes a little bit. So I've got one I did earlier here and you can see here this is the spike stitch. Oops. Okay, can you see that? So it's come down lower and it's covering up the gap that you would otherwise have. And it's also quite a nice decorative effect. So it's there, it's there, it's there, and it's there. So I'm going to show you how to make it, okay? So usually you use the Spike Double Crochet in the middle of your granny cluster. So granny cluster is a group of 3 double crochets. So I've done my first one on this round and then we're going to make our spike. So what we're going to do is yarn over in the normal way that you would do a normal double crochet, and you're going to insert your hook into the stitch that is in the round before, not the round that you're working into. So into there, can you see? Not sure if it's coming out clearly or not. So you go into there, you push your hook all the way through the back, and then you're going to yarn over and you're going to gently pull, not pull hard, because if you pull hard it will just make your round go lower, like not stay in a straight line, if that makes sense. So you've pulled it up, then you yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and you can see that it's got a longer bit in it at the bottom and it's joined to that. Well, that's my round 1 rather than joining to my round 2. So I will show you. I would then do a normal double crochet into the next stitch, so it's kind of bordered by 2, if that makes sense. Okay, I'll just undo it and I'll show you again the process just to make sure that you get it. So what we're going to do is we are going to yarn over. We're going to insert our hook into the stitch from 2 rounds below. So we're working round 3 and we're going to insert into round 1 rather than going into that space in round 2, which is what you would normally do when you're doing granny squares. So you're going to go into that stitch, push your hook right through the back, yarn over and gently pull through without pulling it tight. Pull it up to the level of the row or round you're working on, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you have it. I'll just do that double crochet into the next stitch just so you can get the effect fully of it. That is a spike stitch and I think it is a really lovely effect, and it also covers up the holes if you are looking for something to do that. So for example, in my crochet slippers, my Windermere slippers that I'm working on, the pattern will be out soon, I use this stitch. I think that's everything. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the Spike DC and let me know how you get on using it.